Ladies and gentlemen, I am the Fabulous 95, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2019-2020 Blue Desert Art Shu Todoroki packaging. Now, I got this recently because I realized I never had one, and I'm like, hey, I should probably get this. Now, I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking, okay, you missed a boat a long time ago, and yeah, it's because when I was younger, I didn't really like getting all the racers. I wanted one card, and I want you all can guess what that one is. But as you can see at the packaging, we've got the World Grand Prix logo on the side, with it being green all the way down to the bottom. Shu Todoroki, his card, his art in the background, and on the back you see all the cards that I already have now, so good for me. But before any of you ask, I have seen the new 2020 poster. I'm probably going to be reviewing that on a later date because I can, and most likely I will be upset, and I'll be reviewing what my least favorite thing is from that series, which is going to be that this McQueen now is going to be a super chase. Yes, this Transforming Lightning McQueen is going to be a super chase. Like, I have some ideas of what they could do to make it better, but that'll be a different video. So let's get right into the unboxing of this. So let's get right into the review of this guy. So on the side, you see the Japanese flag and some Japanese symbol lettering. I don't know what they mean because I don't speak it. I want to, though. It'd be fun to learn. World Grand Prix, number 7, all in all. This paint job kind of reminds me of the Japanese flag, which I think is what they were going for. I'm glad that they chose, like, different cars for, like, each of the racers. And this wing is different. World Grand Prix, on the other side is the exact same thing. I feel like I should have bought a different, the first variant I got of this when I had the chance, but I never did. But anyway, I guess that's all I got to say for this car. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 500 by the end of this year. I think it's possible, but I don't know. I really haven't been posting a lot because of the whole quarantining and stuff, and I can't go anywhere, and I have, like, no ambition to do anything. But at least I have this, and I have stop motion, so hopefully I can get through this. Speaking of which, if you haven't seen my newest stop motion, you should go check that out. Link will probably be in the description, or has already showed up in this video once before. So, anyway, thanks for watching, like I said before, and I hope you guys are all staying safe. I'm the Fabulous 95, and I'll see you guys next time.